Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to do a 5-minute makeup tutorial. Start by cleaning your hands because किसी को नहीं पता where you last used it. Tie your hair so that there is no hindrance in making out. Oh no, sorry, makeup. Ha ha ha, let's be serious. Start with a moisturizer. I use this gel based face cream before makeup. This is hydrating and this is very lightweight. Doesn't stick to your face at all. I have a mixed skin, oily in the T zone and rest is dry. So this really works well all over on my skin. Apply it thoroughly, massage it properly. This cream is a bit costly, but I think it's totally worth the money. I don't know any dupe for it. Now, this is the best hack of my life. I use this matte ruby woo as a corrector for the face. This one's finished, and I think it's one of the best uses of this lipstick. It holds the foundation so well, doesn't create a patch or a crease. I give it 10 on 10. It's a must try. Now the eyelids. Since this is a very simple one, we are not going to use any eyeshadow, only concealer. This erase from Maybelline has my heart. Does the work perfectly. Use it on eyelids as a base. Since it's greasy, it may create a crease. So for that, we are going to set it with a powder. That's the best way to go about to make it look natural. You don't need an eyeshadow and it's very easy to apply. For setting the concealer, I use my Studio Fix Compac from MAC and it does the desired work. It's a tad bit costly, but I believe in buying less products but quality products, also the products that suit my skin. Next up is eyeliner. This one I got as a sample to try. I kind of get a lot of samples to try and understand what works on my skin. I think it's really important for any product that you use to really work on your skin and suit the skin type you have. One must not compromise in that. So, yeah, about the samples, I use one of these apps called Smytten, which gives samples at the cost of just the delivery charge. And it's, I think, really good initiative because you can learn what really works on your skin. Basically, you don't have to buy a full size product to know whether it works on your face or your color or skin or not. You can just buy a sample. I will put the link in the description below with my referral code so that you can get 6 free trial points. Next up is foundation, which will be the only layer on my face as the base. This Inglot Amc range is lightweight, non-patchy, non-sticky. I have been using it for more than 10 years now and I refuse to shift. It's the chota bhai of Bobbie Brown in terms of everything. So this is the pattern I create on my face with the stick of the foundation, and it really works well. This pattern works well on my face. I have been doing it for quite a while now. I don't do contouring because I have high cheekbones. To blend it, I basically use my own compact powder, the Studio Fix. I think when you blend the foundation with a powder, it really blends well and keeps the face sweat free. Try this hack if you sweat a lot, and trust me, you will thank me later. And yes, I use this powder to actually blend the entire foundation so that yeah, I mean, I think it really makes your face look natural. At the same time, some of your flaws are still visible, which is okay. Every face has flaws, and I don't want to look like a canvas, like with layers of makeup. I really hate that kind of makeup. It's a personal choice though. It's makeup is always a personal choice, but this is how I like the makeup to be. It's okay if there are blemishes and if they can be seen. I don't want to hide everything. My skin is imperfect and it's okay. So next up is this concealer, which I'm going to use again for my dark circles, but I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to use it very less, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers again. I think when you blend with your fingers, it really blends well. I don't like sponges or even brushes. Next up is this blush, this scarlet blush. I have been using for more than 10 years now, and it's hands down one of the best. I use my fingers to blend the blush. I think it gives more natural effect, and the blush blends well with the foundation and the powder that has been applied, so it doesn't look like that there is another layer of makeup on your face. And the blush doesn't come in the face of the person who's seeing you. So yeah, And yeah, I'm like, I apply a little bit of it on the nose to give it a more natural effect. To finish the look, we are going to use this red lipstick, Ruby Woo again. One is finished, one is still getting used, and I think it's all also on the verge of finishing. I have to get one more. So I am very very particular about the lipsticks that I use. I don't have a lot of lipsticks. I just use one shade that uplifts my face with or without makeup, and I think that works well. And yes, we are done up with the makeup look. And yeah, I'm like, that's all to it, that's all about it. What do you think about the look? This is the best makeup look I know, and I think it works really well for my face and for me, because whenever I want to go somewhere, I get ready in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more. If there are any questions, let me know in the comment section.